Hello hikers, welcome back to African Hiker. I'm Anita and we are about to embark on a cross-country road trip from Gauteng all the way to the Western Cape. We are taking the scenic route, so we'll be on the road for a number of days. My goal for this road trip is to not have to buy anything from a garage. This takes planning and self-awareness. I often travel with padkos, but I tend to think that I'm healthier than I actually am. So when we get to a garage, I go to the bathroom and I get tempted by the sweets and the chocolates. You just feel for something sweet when you're on the road. I don't know, but I've accepted it. So the first thing is sweets. I've got so many sweets. I just bought all the sweets. It's Christmas, okay? I pre-bought all of my favorite junk food. Look, I can't eat healthy on the road, but I can at least be thrifty. Garage prices are insane. I have made a bit of an effort and packed some healthier snacks. I have popcorn, fresh fruits and dried nuts. That's all. We are going to start driving well before sunrise, so breakfast will be on the road. For this, I've just got some muffins and of course the fruit. That is just a simple, easy breakfast to keep hunger away for a little bit. For lunch, we have panini rolls. I like these because they hold their shape. For the filling, we have cold meat, a veg and normal option, and then we have cheese, cucumber, red bell pepper, and yeah. I make the sandwiches on the road, and life is easier when you remember to bring a chopping board and a knife. I've also packed a couple juice boxes for lunch. I'm not letting temptation get me. Keeping water cool for one day is easy enough, but it does get trickier on the second day in the middle of the Karoo. I'm curious to see how long we can go without buying water. For most nights we're going to be braaiing, so a lot of the food is just things that are easy to put together that go well with a braai. So I have this big tub full of food that I ever so creatively refer to as the kitchen tub. It is literally a mini kitchen. I filled it with everything I like to cook with, as well as some pantry items so that we can reduce the amount of grocery runs that we need to do during the holiday. If you want to see more of the foods that I'll be making on this trip, make sure to check out the kitchen camp video. Kitchen tub. Yeah, the kitchen tub video. In there I show you everything I have planned, breakfast, lunch, dinner and different meals that I've made with the pictures and everything so that it's all lovely. I'm saying all this but I haven't even made the video yet, so anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.